Hello everyone. Welcome to Naa English World. In this series, you will learn the most useful English sentences that people use in everyday life. These are simple, practical, and easy to understand sentences that will help you improve your English speaking step by step. Don't just read these sentences. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence aloud, and practice every day. Repeating the same sentences several times will improve your pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary, and confidence. Try to use these sentences in your daily conversations with your friends, family, or colleagues. The more you practice, the more naturally English will come to you. Take your time, enjoy the learning process, and remember that small improvements every day lead to big success. Let's begin our journey and learn the first 100 daily English sentences together. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Naa English World, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next lesson. Let's get started. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining brightly. Birds are singing outside. Fresh air feels wonderful. Morning brings new opportunities. Breakfast is ready. Coffee smells amazing. Water keeps the body healthy. Exercise improves physical fitness. Walking refreshes the mind. Hard work leads to success. Practice makes everything easier. Confidence grows with experience. Patience brings good results. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Small steps create big changes. Success requires dedication. Knowledge opens many doors. Education changes lives. Dreams become reality through action. Time never waits for anyone. Every minute is valuable. Good habits build a better future. Positive thinking creates positive results. Happiness begins from within. Kind words make people smile. Honest people earn respect. True friendship lasts forever. Family gives endless support. Parents deserve love and respect. Children learn by watching others. Teachers inspire students. Books contain endless knowledge. Reading improves vocabulary. Writing develops communication skills. Listening carefully prevents misunderstandings. Speaking clearly builds confidence. English becomes easier with daily practice. New words improve communication. Regular revision strengthens memory. Mobile phones connect people. Technology changes everyday life. The internet provides useful information. Computers make work easier. Emails save time. Online learning is becoming popular. Good planning reduces stress. Clean surroundings create comfort. Fresh vegetables support good health. Healthy food gives energy. Great! We've now learned 50 sentences. Take your time, enjoy the learning process, and remember that small improvements every day lead to big success. If you're enjoying this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Naa English World. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. Now, let's get started. Music relaxes the mind. Nature brings peace. Rain cools the weather. Flowers make gardens beautiful. Trees provide fresh oxygen. Rivers support life. Mountains attract travelers. Beaches offer relaxation. Travel creates unforgettable memories. Every journey teaches something new. Teamwork achieves better results. Respect strengthens relationships. Trust takes time to build. Forgiveness brings peace. Smiles spread happiness. Laughter reduces stress. Silence can be powerful. Hope gives strength. Courage overcomes fear. Discipline creates success. Effort never goes to waste. Challenges develop character. Opportunities appear unexpectedly. Experience is the best teacher. Success follows consistent effort. Failure teaches valuable lessons. Progress happens every day. Every beginning feels difficult. Every ending starts a new chapter. Bright ideas solve problems. Good communication builds strong relationships. Careful planning saves time. Smart decisions create better outcomes. Simple actions produce great results. Healthy sleep improves concentration. Fresh fruit provides natural vitamins. Regular exercise increases energy. Daily practice improves fluency. Consistency beats talent. Strong determination overcomes obstacles. Every sunrise brings new hope. Every evening offers time to relax. Life becomes meaningful through learning. Every experience has value. Success belongs to persistent people. Confidence comes from preparation. Better choices create a better future. Learning never stops. Every day offers a fresh start. The future depends on today's actions. Congratulations! You have successfully completed today's 100 daily English sentences. Don't stop here. Go back and practice these sentences at least 3 times. Listen carefully, repeat aloud, and try to use them in your daily conversations. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Remember, speaking English fluently doesn't happen overnight. It happens through daily practice, consistency, and confidence. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Naa English World for more useful English lessons. Tell us in the comments. How many sentences did you practice today? Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English every single day. See you in the next lesson. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day.